Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be doing this smoky glittery eye look using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 palette. So starting off, I'll be doing this circular motion with my pencil brush using the black eyeshadow from the palette, and going to use the dark brown color also with another pencil brush and going to diffuse the color together. And I'm going to take a large blending brush and diffuse the color in between before I put on the crease. And going to apply the black color all over my lid, and going to use some concealer to brighten up the eyeshadow so that when we put the glitter it looks really pigmented. I'm going to use this Pixi Beauty glitter eyeshadow in Starry Light. It's their collab with Maryam NYC. So yeah, I'm applying this all over my lid. This gives instantly oomph to the look. And yeah, back and forth I'm using the pencil brush to give really perfect crease for my look. And the next step will be this lashes from Blaq level. It's called Finesse, and using it on my eyes. And I'm going to use this Vasanti Cosmetics color corrector in VO2 and going to apply it all over my under eyes and my mouth area wherever I have dark areas on my face. And yeah, I'm blending it out using the Vasanti Cosmetics brush. And I'm using this Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. It's called Praline, and buffing this all over my face so I get a full coverage look since this is for New Year's Eve. And using this Huda Beauty's Overachiever concealer in almond, toasted almond, and yeah, I'm buffing it with the Vasanti Cosmetics brush and using this butter bronzer in deep. So I'm going to lightly have a warmth to my face. And I'm using this Sigma Beauty's blush in Rosa de Cora and going to bake underneath my under eyes using this Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. The next step will be this highlighter from Physicians Formula also. It's called Champagne. And yeah, I'm applying it on my highest points of the face and going to smoke out my lower lash line using the black eyeshadow, then also the dark brown. And the last step will be this liquid lipsticks from Pop Beauty. It's the Red Velvet Permanent Liquid Lipstick. And yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed my New Year's Eve look. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.